Hi guys, today's video is all about differentiation. We are told to find dy dx, which is the derivative of y with respect to x, if y is given as 6x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power negative 2 minus x raised to power negative 3. We have these options to choose from. Now, let's start by writing out the equation. This is the equation we are solving and we want to derive it with respect to x. To derive or to find the derivative of an expression, say this. We multiply the coefficient of the unknown by the power of the unknown and take away 1 from the power. This is what I mean. Dy dx equal to this. I will explain what each of the terms stands for. Let's start with 6x raised to power 3. It means you take the power of 3, multiply it by 6. That's why we have 6.3. This is 6 times 3. 6 times the power 3. Then we have x, we have the power 3, and we subtract 1 from the power. That is how to differentiate. Take the power, multiply it with the coefficient, and take 1 away from the power. Plus, we do the same thing here. Take the power of negative 2, multiply it by the coefficient of x, 2, and then x raised to power negative 2, and then you take away 1, just the way we took away 1 from here. And the last one, this is negative, you put it here. Again, you take the power of negative 3, you multiply it by x, and then you take 1 away from the power. So this is basically how to differentiate. What we are doing here is the chain rule. We are differentiating each of the terms making up the expression or the equation. Once you are done with that, then you solve the algebra. What it means is that dy dx is simply 6 times 3 is 18. So we have 18 x, 3 minus 1 is 2, so we have 18x squared. Plus times minus is minus, 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 4x minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So we have 4x raised to power negative 3. Minus times minus will give us plus. We have 3x raised to power negative 3 negative 1 is negative 4. So this is the answer to the question, which makes option A the correct answer to this question. If this was an exam, I would have gone for option A without doing the calculation actually, because there is no other option here other than these figures. And the fact that I already know that 6 times 3 will give me 18, I look through the option and I find out that this is the only option with 18, then I will go ahead and pick it as an answer without really solving the problem further. If there were other 18, then I would have gone ahead to continue the solution. But since this is to teach us how to solve derivative, I have gone ahead to solve it completely. Thank you very much for watching this video and hope to see you in our next video.